You're staying in Manhattan. The match is at MetLife Stadium. That's New Jersey, not New York.
Uber, subway, bus, train. Each one has its own English. Each one has its own price.
Today, Transit English for the World Cup. Practical B1 level.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
11 U.S. host cities. Each has different transit systems. But the English is the same.
B1 level today. We'll cover 3, rideshare apps, subway, and buses.
Let's start with Uber and Lyft, most common for tourists.
Open the app. Enter destination, MetLife Stadium. App shows price, usually $50 to $90 from Manhattan.
Choose ride type. Uber X equals standard. Uber XL equals bigger car. Uber Black equals premium. Uber Comfort equals quiet.
Confirm. App shows driver name, car, plate number, ETA, estimated time of arrival.
Driver arrives. Confirm. Hi, are you Maria? She confirms with your name.
Safety check. Match the car plate to the app before getting in. Always.
Inside the car. Hi, how's your day going? Friendly small talk.
Or stay quiet, that's fine too. American drivers respect quiet riders.
Useful phrases. Could you turn down the AC? Or could you turn off the music?
Do you mind if I open the window? Polite version.
Traffic problems. Is there another route? Driver might suggest a different way.
Rideshare basics. Open app, enter destination, choose ride type, confirm.
Safety. Are you Maria? Match the plate to the app.
In the car. Could you turn down the AC? Do you mind if I open the window?
Time. ETA equals estimated time of arrival. App shows it.
Tipping. In USA, Uber suggests tip after the trip. 15 to 20% standard.
Now Subway, much cheaper than Uber. NYC, Boston, DC, San Francisco, LA all have subways.
First, get a card. NYC, OMNY card or just tap a credit card. Most modern systems accept tap to pay.
Find the right line. Subway maps use colors and letters. NYC, 6 train, 1 train, a train, F train.
Ask a station agent, how do I get to Times Square? They'll point at the map.
Or use Google Maps. Type your destination, it shows the subway route.
Check direction. Uptown means north. Downtown means south. Eastbound/westbound on east-west lines.
Get on the train. Inside, announcement. Next stop, 42nd Street, Times Square. Listen for your stop.
If unsure, ask a passenger, excuse me, is this the right train for Yankee Stadium?
Or, excuse me, how many more stops to Yankee Stadium?
Getting off, excuse me to move through crowded trains. People will step aside.
Now buses, slower but useful in some cities. Especially LA, Miami, Houston.
Bus stops are marked with signs, numbers and route names. Bus 31, Route 720, etc.
Pay when boarding. Cash, card, or transit card depending on city.
Ask driver, does this bus go to the stadium? Most drivers know the big destinations.
Show your stop on the app. Could you let me know when we get to stop X?
Pulling the cord. Yellow cord above windows signals you want to get off at the next stop.
Or push a red button if there's no cord. Either works.
Bonus. Trains between cities. Amtrak is the U.S. train company. Tickets online. Amtrak.com.
Useful. Which platform is the Boston train? When does the train leave? Is there a delay?
Trains are slower than flying but no security lines. Good option for nearby cities.
Subway. Tap to pay. Uptown/downtown. Is this the right train for?
Bus. Does this bus go to? Pull the cord or push the button to stop.
Train. Amtrak. Which platform? Is there a delay?
All transit. Google Maps plus ask if confused. Tap to pay works almost everywhere.
Match days. Transit is much busier. Leave 30 extra minutes.
Practice these.
How do I get to Times Square? Excuse me, how do I get to Times Square?
Is this the right train for Yankee Stadium?
Does this bus go to the stadium?
Could you let me know when we get there?
Could you turn down the AC?
Quiz. Which transit option?
You're in Manhattan, late, going to MetLife in New Jersey. Match in 90 minutes.
Uber, fastest but expensive. Or train plus bus, cheaper but slower.
You're at the subway. You don't know if it's the right train.
Excuse me, is this the right train for Yankee Stadium? Ask any passenger.
You're on a bus. Your stop is next.
Pull the yellow cord, or push the red button. Driver will stop.
Transit English is direct. Polite, clear, short. Same as everywhere.
Match day tip. Leave 1 hour earlier than Google says. Crowds slow everything down.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. See you next time.